Hello my dear student of Standard 9. How are you everyone? Hope you are fine by the grace of Allah. Welcome back to my class. Today I will discuss chapter 7, lecture 9, and this is the last lecture on this chapter. Today at first the Upazila Council. There are 492 Upazila under 64 districts of the country. This system was first reintroduced earlier in 1983, but this system could not take a permanent basis for different reasons later. The Upazila Council Act 1998 is reintroduced, and according to this act, the Upazila Porishod Ain was passed on April 6, 2009, which is known as Upazila Council Act 2009. Now, formation of Upazila Council. There will be one chairman, two vice chairmen including female, chairman of all union councils within the territory of the Upazila, municipality mayor, and all female members elected in the reserved seat within the territory of the Upazila. That means, suppose if we consider Pabna Sadur Upazila, so there are 10 unions, and from 10 unions 30 members are elected from each union, so 10 into 10, that means 130 members. They are all the member of this Upazila Council, and there will be one Upazila chairman plus two vice chairman plus one mayor. Okay, so all these persons are the member of the Upazila Council. This is the map of Pabna district, and there are 9 Upazila here, and the chairman of Pabna Upazila is Musharraf Hussain. In Pabna Sador, there are 10 unions, 10 Poroshobha, 291 Moja or Mohallas, and 277 villages. Now, district council. The government of Bangladesh introduced an act, namely the District Council Act 2000, on July 6, 2000. According to this act, there will be 61 district councils in 61 districts and 3 hill tract districts, that means Rangamati, Khagrachari and Bandarban, under the Chittagong Hill Tract Ministry. Formation. There will be one chairman, 15 general members and 5 female members from reserve seat. Rizaur Rahim Lal is the chairman of Pabna District Council. Now, the function of major of District Council. Number 1, providing arrangement for general library and maintaining the same. 2, reviewing all development programs within the district. 3, constructing, developing and maintaining public passages and bridges. 4, planting trees beside the passage and maintaining the same. 5th, implementing development plans vested by the government, etc. And there are more major functions. In your book, you will follow that functions. Now, some voluntary activities of the District Council. Provide monetary grant to academic institutions. Takes initiatives to develop education, sports and games. Sets up information center. Observe national days. Makes shelters widows' house, orphanages, and other institutes. Makes arrangement for the settlement of dispute arbitration amicably. Sets up an ideal agriculture farming for economic development, etc. Now, the municipality or town council or Poroshobha. At first, what is municipality? A municipality is usually a single administrative division having corporate status and powers of self-government or jurisdiction as granted by national and regional laws to which it is subordinate. There are 317 municipalities area in Bangladesh. Formation. There are one chairman plus few members based on wards. They all are directly elected by the eligible voters, and the members are also called commissioners. Now, function of the municipality or town council or Poroshobha. Number 1. Functions relating to planning. The municipality composes different projects and implements them for overall development of towns and other adjacent areas within its territory. The municipality may array roads and highways or habitations of residential areas for beautification of the town. Functions relating to mass security. The municipality provides arrangement for the fire prevention and extinguishment. Besides, it provides life support assistance for victims during and post-disaster period affected by flood, devastating epidemic, famine, and tornado, etc. Functions relating to public health. The municipality provides arrangement for maintaining public passages, latrine, dustbin, destruction of sewerage dirt, etc. Besides, it supervises different public health related services such as establishment of clinics, child house, mother house, etc. and preventing contagious diseases and providing remedies for. 4 number, functions relating to habitation. The municipality is vested with authority to regulate any construction or reconstruction works. It approves plans and designs for construction of houses. 5 number, functions relating to education. The municipality's educational functions include construction of academic institute and hostels, providing training to the teachers, awarding stipend or scholarship to poor and brilliant students, distributing books free of cost, providing compulsory education and mass education, etc. 6 number, functions relating to improvement of public passes. For the sake of people, the municipality constructs passages, names them and maintains the same, keeps the passages neat and clean, provides lighting on the roads and regulates trafficking of vehicles and roads and highways. 7 number, functions relating to social welfare. The municipality sets up welfare centers and orphanages for the orphans, destitute and indigent persons and manage them within its territory. This is the picture of Pabna Porosabha. Next function, functions relating to plantation. The municipality is vested with functions relating to maintenance and development of forest within municipal areas, plantation and maintenance of plants besides roads and public places, maintenance of park, garden and open spaces for recreation of the common people, and providing playgrounds to play thereat. Number 9. Functions relating to arbitration. The municipality may take initiatives to settle or may settle different disputes and problems arising from awarding fine to the people living within the municipality and limitations of the boundaries, family problems and quarrelings by the way of arbitration amicably. You know what? That is Pabna municipality comprises of a mayor and 15 councillors and 5 female councillors. Each councillor represents a ward of the town and all of them are directly elected by the eligible voters. Have you seen this Pabna Porosabha? Okay, so Kamrul Hasan Mintu is the present mayor of Pabna Porosabha. Now, the city corporation. There are 12 city corporations in Bangladesh. These are Dhaka North, Dhaka South, Rajshahi, Chittagong, Khulna, Sylhet, Borishal, Rangpur, Kumilla, Naranganj, Mymensingh, Gazipur. This is the picture of Nagar Bhavan, that is Dhaka South City Corporation. The function of city corporation and the function of municipalities is same. And the city corporation has been formed in order to solve the widespread problem of the city, such as arrangement of the supply of water and drinking water, drainage system, removal of dirt and garbage management, increasing civic privileges and rendering overall development in the territory. So if there will be a question that is explain the function of the city corporation, that time it will explain the function of the municipalities. Okay, now I will discuss your creative question. So at first, creative question 1, you must follow your book. Number 1, the habitations in 3 villages under a district of the southern region of Bangladesh were damaged by a cyclone. The Deputy Commissioner COP provides victims with cash money and treatment for the injured. He holds reputations through smoothly discharging his functions, maintaining law and order within the relevant district, implementing government policies and collecting revenues, etc. in exercise of the power. So, you can understand the stem. Number A, what is the tenure of a union council? The tenure of a union council is 5 years. B, what is impeachment? In the lecture, I have discussed what is impeachment. So, impeachment, this is the power of the parliament, one type of or special power of the parliament. It means impeachment means to charge the president, ministers or judges with a crime in Parliament. The Parliament may impeach the President on charges of violation of the Constitution or of a grave misconduct or on the grounds of physical or mental incapacity. The Parliament also, in exercise of the power, may impeach the Speaker, Deputy Speaker, Chief Justice where necessary. The Parliament virtually reserves the right to discharge such action relating to different important national judicial affairs. So in my video, I have given the definition of the impeachment. You will follow from here or you will follow your book. C number, what type of activities of court does taking steps for the victims of cyclone? So here you have seen that at first you will discuss about that is the habit. From STEM you will write something that is the habitation of 3 villages under a district of the southern region of Bangladesh were damaged by a cyclone. The Deputy Commissioner gave monetary aids to the victim and treatment to the injured. So these activities of are termed as humanitarian activities. And then you will explain this point from your book. Okay. Now D number. The Deputy Commissioner is a friend of the district. Evaluate their statement on the basis of your textbook. So here you will explain the function of the Deputy Commissioner. So the Deputy Commissioner is the main administrative officer of the district. He executes many comprehensive functions for the development of the district, and he will explain the function of the Deputy Commissioner here in D number. Okay. I hope you understand creative question 1. Now, creative question 2. Belal Hussain is the representative duly elected by eligible voters of his area. There are 12 more representatives in his office. He got 3 tubes installed, supplied 5 beings for set up toilets, and distributed fertilizer among the farmers in his area. So here you can understand that from which organization Belal Hussain belong to? Yes, he is belong to Union Parishad, isn't it? Though there are 13 members, isn't it? So A number, what is the number of the member of the parliament made limited by the constitution in accordance with 15th amendment of the constitution? So A number, there will be 350 members. Okay. B, what do you understand by the local autonomy? So you will read from your book, and I have given this definition in my lecture. So read from there. C number, what organization is Belal Hussain the chief of? Explain. So you can easily understand that is the Belal Hussain is the chief of the Union Council. And after that you will write the formation of the Union Council and write about some information or give some information about the Union Council here. But formation must there. D number, is Belal Hussain's word as mentioned in the section enough for the state organization? Give arguments in favor of your answer. Is it? Is it the enough activities or for the state organization? No, isn't it? Because beside the mentioned activities, Belal Hussain has to do many other activities for the Union Council, isn't it? So here you will write the other function of the Belal Hussain or other function of the Union Council here. Understand everyone? So after this everyone, you must complete this creative 1 and 2. Okay, and send me, then I will check. So after this everyone, goodbye. Stay at your home safely. Goodbye everyone. Thank you.